Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make text bigger in Notion. So there are a few different ways I'm going to show you that you can do this. So as you can see, I've just opened up a new page and put a bit of writing onto it. So if you wanted to make this text bigger, one of the options is clicking on the top right hand corner, three dots, and scrolling down. So you've got an option that says small text. So if you want to change that, if that's already on, you can change it and it turns a little bit bigger. So you've got that option there. You can also play around with the full width. That will make your text seem like it's slightly bigger. So you've got that option. And another option is using headers, as you can see I've done here. So before you type your text in, you can do like a /H2 and then click on heading 2, and then the text you write will be bigger. You can do the same. You can see I've done here /H3. So that gives you a H3 heading, which is slightly bigger than just the standard text as well. And another way, if you wanted to make the page text bigger, is just by zooming in. So you can do this by the top right three dots, clicking on that, and you've got your zoom option. So you can just use the plus icon to zoom the page in, and that will make your text bigger. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.